If you're a business owner in Kenya and you're posting every day but still not getting customers, then you don't have a content problem, you have a marketing problem. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how digital marketing really works and how you can start getting real clients, not just likes. Welcome to Intertwined Digital, where we turn clicks into clients. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you grow your business using simple, practical digital marketing strategies. No fluff, no theory, just what works. Let's simplify this. Digital marketing is simply using the internet to get customers. That's it. Not followers, not views, not likes. Customers. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. You can't post every day and still make zero money because posting is not marketing. Most businesses in Kenya are doing this, posting pictures, posting flyers, posting random content and hoping someone will buy. That is not strategy, that's guessing. Digital marketing is not about being active, it's about being intentional. Every successful online business follows this simple formula. Number 1, attention. People must see you. If nobody knows you exist, you don't exist. You get attention through social media, that is Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, paid ads using Meta Ads Manager, search engines like Google. Number 2, trust. People must believe you. Nobody buys from a stranger. You build trust through valuable content, testimonials, consistency. If your page looks inactive or confusing, people leave. Number 3, conversation. People must buy from you. This is where money is made. You need a clear offer, a strong message, a call to action. If you don't ask for the sale, you won't get it. Let's make this practical. Imagine you own a salon in Nakuru. Here's how digital marketing should work. Attention. You post your hairstyles or run ads targeting women in Nakuru. Trust. You show before and after transformations. You post client reviews. You stay consistent. Conversation. You say, get 10% off this week, book now. That's what turns views into money, not just posting pictures and disappearing. Here's why most businesses struggle. No clear strategy, no offer, no consistency, no understanding of the customer. They focus on looking busy instead of making money. If you're starting today, do this. Step 1, pick one platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Step 2, define your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Step 3, create content that solves problems, not just content that looks good. Step 4, add a clear offer. Tell people exactly what to do next. Stop thinking like a content creator. Start thinking like a marketer. Every post should have a purpose. Every video should move someone closer to buying. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on how to grow your business and get clients online. And if you're struggling with your marketing, check the description. I might be able to help you. Remember, it's not about posting more, it's about marketing better. I'll see you in the next video.